Yes. Oh, we got the views. Hey guys, welcome back to Ronnie's Adventure Channel. Today we got a special day because I found an insanely nice toque at the thrift store. Look at this. What? Man, I am so stoked. I'm at Mount Benson today, right outside of Nanaimo. And we got some fresh snow, which is a bit uncommon this time of year. And I'm hoping we can punch through the clouds and get a really cool view of the ocean and all the islands in the area. So it's a bit late in the day, so let's run up there and see what we can see. Look at it. Boom, damn, look at this thing. Look at this hat. Woo! Yes. So far so good. The hike's pretty aggressive. I had to take it easy there for a second. I thought it was the second time so far I thought I was having a heart attack. I just kept spitting over and over. I don't know, man. But I'm gonna keep going. Almost there. I think I'm about to summit. The sun, yes. Oh, we got the views. Oh my God, it's so nice. Yes, woo, that was worth it. I had to do it for the hat. Yes. Man, it's crazy because I was having trouble getting to the trailhead and I actually turned around, started driving home. I turned around again and just kind of gave her and made it a pretty epic winter hike. Oh, yes. Mount Benson on a day like today is definitely worth it. You get really good 360 view of the area. So I had an amazing time today. I tried out my new hat. It was cozy. It's thick. It has three points on it. You know, definitely the highlight of the hike. I hope you guys enjoyed. And see you on the next hike or the next adventure or the next time I cook something weird. I don't know. Okay, bye.